If you can edit a Google Doc, you can now edit videos. Descript brings a whole new concept to video editing because people think they don't know how to edit videos, but a lot of people are great at writing papers and sending emails. And that's really all the skill you need to create content with Descript. Descript has basically their own AI inside of the transcript part right here. So the way you edit videos is a lot different, but I'm going to show you my proven method for someone editing a podcast. So let's say this is a podcast. The first thing I would do is come in here and I would remove the filler words. So there's 19 filler words. I just removed all of them with a click of a button. I'm going to shorten the word gaps to make sure it flows a bit more cohesive. I am going to also add chapters. Extremely important when you're on YouTube that you have the chapters, because a lot of times if it's information, they're not going to sit there through the whole thing if like it's not serving them. So it's a good way for chapters, as long as they align with what they're into, that they'll keep watching. Added chapters, and now I'm going to draft a title.